What's up, beautiful people? I have here a box, which is the happiest mail of 2018. I'm gonna prove it to you. Inside this box is a care package from momolovespaper. Y'all know who momolovespaper is, right? She's on Instagram. This is her YouTube. She is the awesomest. You can go check her out. But what we did was we got together. So here's the story. We got together. I said, Momo, put together a package for me that I wouldn't pick. Don't get anything I would. So she was like, well, what do you like? And what do you do? And what's your favorite color? And I gave her my favorite color, and I kind of told her what I wanted. But I wanted to really be surprised. Because, you know, if I go to the store, I'm going to probably pick out the same things over and over and over again. And I was just like, I don't want to pick out the same thing. I want to be surprised. So I'm going to be surprised. You're going to be surprised. Now, I'm kind of was already surprised because I'm not really into the unboxing thing. Not that it's not fun, but cutting open boxes, ripping paper apart. So I kind of saw what's in the box, right? We're going to look at it together. This is the box. This is me. This is where we are going to unbox everything. Okay. So let's start with this. Now, I really did have to pull these things apart. And I'm going to tell you why I had to pull them apart. Because she wrapped all of this stuff around it. And it is beautiful. Look at this thing. It's beautiful. But the problem is it took me a long time to unwrap them. I said, forget it. And I just went on in, right? So she started with this little book for me. And I'm going to show you this in no particular order. So here's the little book. And she went through and she put a lot of nice little things in here. Wowee. Look at that. So I'm going to have to go through this. But let's go straight to the front so we can read this. I'll read this to everybody. Hello, Rob. I hope all is well. I was going to put sticky notes on each item I chose. You should have put sticky notes on them because I looked at these things. I have no idea what I'm looking at. Okay, but that's besides the point. To further explain, but I thought it'd be more interesting to decorate an insert. Okay, so wait, did she explain what all these things were? I hope she did in here. I don't think she did. She didn't explain anything. Thanks, Momo. Thanks, Momo, because this is going to be confusing. Y'all watch. So she has some stuff that came in this gorgeous bag. Look at that sweetie pie right there. Oh, I'm loving it. Looks like these are photogenic stickers. Look at the Converse. Knock off, baby. So these are stickers. Okay, I'm going to know what to do with these. What is that? Are these sticky tabs? Somebody who's watching this, I'm pretty sure like 2 people are going to watch this video. Please tell me what these are. This has got to be washi, I think. And this is awesome. Look at this. Oh my goodness. She sent me 2 postcards. And a masking calendar seal. Molly, really, for real. I have no idea what I'm looking at. But it looks nice. And I'm going to have to come up with like a little spread here. I don't know about this one. I'm going to try it. We'll see what happens. But let's get back to it. Let's get back into the bag here. Look at that. Okay. So now I am a fountain pen guy. I love my pens. I love any kind of writing instrument. I enjoy them. But I primarily write with fountain pens. So, ooh, she got me the Uniball. All right. And the Platinum Preppy. So this is a great pen right here. It comes off like this. Fountain pens have nibs, and what you can do is you can actually put multiple colors and styles of inks. Anybody that deals with a fountain pen knows that you have a cartridge you can put in there, which is filled with a specific type of ink. These are refillable, but then you also have converters that you can use as well. For any of that, you can just check. What is this? This is a Susu pen? I never heard of a Susu pen. I'm digging that. Susu. All right, perfect. And then the Pentel. So she got some really nice pens. What is this, y'all? Okay, they look like sticky notes. I hope those, yeah, those are sticky notes. Those are sticky notes. I think I can handle that. Colored paper, craft paper, glassine paper. Okay, I think I can handle that. Those are sticky notes. I know what to do with those. Now, some of this stuff came inside of this nice wrapping paper. I'm going to be able to use that to do something. I just have to figure out what. Again, like I said, somebody help me. Somebody help me. I'm so happy that I have this stuff, but I don't even know what I'm going to be doing with it. And see, this is why... This is exactly why I said, hey, why don't you go out there and you get things done for me? Because this isn't something that I'm going to necessarily buy, but this is awesome. There's what looks like, okay, there's a cake, coffee, an umbrella, and a book. I love this. Look at all these cutie pie things that she's getting me here. Oh my goodness. Girl, you rocked out. You rocked out. And we're not even done yet. Okay, let's get back to the rest of it. Now, this bag right here. Y'all check that out. Looks very nice. Looks very sweet. And it is full of, what is this? Washi tape. Washi tape and some clear, well, what is that? Versifying clear, not clear. So it's full of washi tape, and it also has a stamp in there. Wow. Sorry for all the noise of the paper rustling. See, this is why I like to do my unboxings before, because it's just too much noise. Now, I'm not going to try to open this. I'm sorry, but I have no fingernails. I'm not going to get this open. So let's just forget about it. But she gave me this pointer. And that goes with the ink. She does know that I like violet is my favorite color. But anything in the purple family, you got me right there. I fall in love instantly. And these two, I know exactly what to do with those. I guess this is candy for the sweeties. But let's look at this washi. Okay, nice, very, oh, nice. I guess I could do something with that. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I'm thinking about it. Okay, but here we go with this. Oh, this is beautiful. I love that. Oh my word, look at this washi, y'all. Envious. Oh, I know who to contact for it. I know exactly who to contact for the washi. Desiree. Planning for busy moms. Desiree, check it out. I have washi tape, girl. Desiree is a washi hoarder. I'm just going to put it to you just like that, straight. Because I like to just put people's business out there. Okay? I rolled through North Vegas one day. Went into Michael's. You know, I was shopping around, you know, looking around. And went to the back. And I'm in the washi area. Tell me why I don't see Desiree's face posted on the wall with one of those no Desiree signs around it, you know, the red circle. I said, what's this? They had a security guard there. He said this woman is not allowed in the washi section because she just comes in the store with her card. I was like, we trying to buy some washi back from her. Desiree is the washi hoarder. You're not getting any of these, D. None. These are mine. I'm going to enjoy them. Okay, let's get back to it. This I love. This Momo, you crushed it. You crushed it. This is the Iroshizuku inks. This is the inks by Pilot, I believe it is. Yep. These are the Pilot inks. This is the Murasaki Shikibu. And that just means purple. And I've never seen this pen. I've never had it. What is... Oh, this is the Pilot Prera. I heard about this one. Let me be quiet. Oh, see, this is why I don't do unboxings. Sorry for the noise, y'all. I'm gonna steal a word. This is so kawaii. Kawaii, kawaii. Look at this thing, y'all. Look at that top cap. This is beautiful. And look how cute this is. Oh my word. I'm gonna put this in my pocket, and this is going with me everywhere I go. She sent several ink cartridges for it. Oh, you set me up. These must be black. Oh, yeah. Years of fun. Years of fun. Okay, and then she did the standard. Now, the standard is to just go on ahead and get you a traveler's notebook. Oh, she put this? I didn't even... Oh, my goodness. She sent me this card in the mail, but then she gave me one to send out. Thank you, my friend. Along with this. So the standard is to just have a traveler's notebook. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cherish this. You do not know how much fun I'm going to have with this. So she put 2 of these in there. These are short trips. I don't even know if that was looking right because she put 2 of those in there. Those are short trips. Here is the traveler's notebook right here. I'm loving this. I'm loving it. Okay, and then what is this? This is a pamphlet of some kind. More things that I can spend money on. Let's put that to the side. And it says origami on it. And these look like tabs, I guess. Molly, you're gonna have to get in touch with me. I have no idea what I'm looking at. Molly, I have no idea what I'm looking at, but I love it. I love everything. And then this is what she does. Okay, so I'm not that much into sweets, but I'm a little bit into sweets. So she sent me some tea. Okay, Maran milk tea. And then she sent me a whole bunch of candies. Anybody want to get sweet with me? This package is great. Molly, I love it. I love it 100%. I'm going to have a great time. You're going to have to help me. You're going to have to help me. Yes. See, this makes me want to go to Japan even more. So, Molly, call Kyla. Tell her to save me a spot at the coffee shop. Probably be there in 12 years. I'm saving, but I'm going to get there. I love this little package. Let's see if we can try to get everything gathered around, and maybe, let me see if I can pull out a little bit, maybe, and just put it all together. Look at this kit, y'all. Look at this kit. Oh, your boy is so happy. Oh my goodness. Look at this kit, everybody. I got it. Momo Loves Paper. Check her out. Follow her. I'm pretty sure you're already following her. Let's see. I probably have 4 people now that are going to watch my video. Molly, again, thank you so much. I really appreciate you doing this for me because, you know, I know it took a lot of work for you. I know you were busy too. It took a lot of work. But you really, I think you understood what I was trying to do. And then you kind of sweetened it up a little bit. You know, you got things that I would have never thought about. Now I have to figure out how to use them. So I'm going to be on Rainbowholic and Momo Loves Papers videos trying to figure out how to use all this stuff, okay? Here is another look at it. Thumbs up, y'all. Thumbs up. So I'm just starting. in the YouTube game. I I have a lot of stuff that I've used and unboxed and played with. I never filmed any of it, but I might start filming some stuff right now. We'll see. I am going to film something. I have a notebook cover. I'm going to use it for my Hobonichi 2019. I have a notebook cover that you've seen before. There's a few people that have done their little thing on it, but excuse me. I'm going to show you it. I'm going to show you how much fun I'm going to have with it, and I'm going to recommend that you get it. So you should stay tuned. This was an unboxing. This was the Momo Loves Paper Kit. I appreciate you watching. My name is Rob Bourne. Thanks for watching.